Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to resize app icons on the home screen on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to change the app icons size on your lock screen or home screen, what you can do is just open up the home screen editing mode by holding on an empty space in your home screen to open up this mode right here where the icons start to shake. Then we're going to press edit on the top left like this, tap customize, and then press this icon right here on the right, this one. As you can see, this makes the icons larger, and they lose their little text description on the bottom, the name of the app. And it looks like this, so it's pretty clean, it's pretty nice, and that's how you do it. And if you want to go back to normal mode, what you can do is go back to the customization and just tap the button again. And now you're back to normal view. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.